In this week's episode, we do a bit of underwater exploration during the heat wave and stumble upon a couple of the BC coast's most stunning hidden gems. It is another picture-perfect morning here on Princess Royal Island. We are currently in Emily Carr Inlet Cove, and it is hot. Very, very hot. Ready to go diving?
Yeah. You filming?
Yeah.
So I just hold this pose?
Yeah. In the first few meters of our descent, moon jellies floated gracefully through the water, drifting with the current. These jellies are entirely translucent and can be recognized by their 4 horseshoe-shaped gonads. They collect medusae, plankton, and mollusks with their tentacles, which they draw inward towards their bodies to feed. Moon jellies can form hordes of clones, heal and regenerate tissue, and are actually capable of life cycle reversal, where individuals grow younger instead of older. Next stop, the Sauger Islands, a small group of islands towards the mouth of Surf Inlet, where we decided to do some dog walking and hang out while we waited for wind. One of the neatest things about these islands is that they are made up of what is known as karst topography. The term karst applies to a distinctive type of landscape that develops from the dissolving action of water on soluble bedrock such as limestone. This action creates fluted and pitted rock surfaces and has the ability to create some really interesting rock formations.
What are we doing today, Brooke?
We are watching some humpbacks do circles just outside of Surf Inlet. And then we're going to sail up Racy Inlet and continue looking for spirit bears. That's the plan right now anyways. Could change another 5 times. got wind. Seems like it was perfect timing.
Yeah. I don't know how long it's gonna last. Sorry, calm us down just up here. What can you do?
What can you do? Pushing along a nice 5.5 knots. With 10 knots of wind right on the beach. Still hoping to see a spirit fish. Mountains are really pretty with the smoky haze in the air, all the silhouettes. Any traps?
Oh, berries here.
Oh, yum.
Blueberries?
Blueberries.
Blueberries.
It's so lush in here.
Some deer tracks.
Oh, pretty. The next morning we went out to pick some blueberries for breakfast and to explore that trail just a little bit further. Ooh, yeah, those look good. They're really blue. Blueberries, as well as other berries found along the coast, are highly regarded by all coastal First Nations as vital food sources. The berries were traditionally eaten fresh or dried into cakes, and can also be preserved with oil or eulachin grease for later use through the fall and winter months.
You guys look the same when you cross creeks.
Well, we are definitely in the rainforest. It's probably about, I don't know, 15 to 16 degrees right now, and it's pouring rain, and it's so warm, humid, lush. It's so beautiful. And we've just walked up to a little lake here, just above the anchorage, and grassy shorelines everywhere, and beautiful mountains in the background. It's a pretty sweet spot.
Veering away.
There are certain places we encounter in nature that can make us feel as though we've stumbled across some kind of unexplainable magic. And these spectacular hidden falls were one of those places. The fresh water as it flowed over smooth rock was mesmerizing, cleansing, and inspiring. It captured the true essence of the magnetism the Great Bear Rainforest had always held for me, even before I had experienced it in real life. This place of hidden beauty, of enchantment, alive with an irrefutable sensation of ethereal wild.
What is it?
I wonder who's gonna have more spiders in their hair when we get back to the boat.
You're a Muoi?
You're a Muoi.
Oh, let's go.
Our plan the next morning as we left Surf Inlet was to head towards Kent Inlet, another stop on Princess Royal Island, about 14 miles to the south. Out in the Loretto Channel, however, we found ideal sailing conditions, and we're having so much fun, we decided to keep going another 20 miles further on to Higgins Pass.
Come on, Conlee.
Okay, going.
We are just exploring one of the little islands around Higgins Pass here. We've got Swindle Island on that side of us, and Prince Island is on the other side. And it's a pretty neat spot. We haven't seen this much grass in a long time. We're almost officially back on the Central Coast after spending a long time on the North Coast. It's a pretty neat spot. There are apparently wolves in the area. We're gonna go take a look up. There's a riverbed that dries out just over by where the boat is anchored. Gonna go check that out next. Ow!
Did you stub your toe?
Ow! Yeah, a little double club.
I know, that's my favorite. Love double club. What an amazing plant. It's a big old tree.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious.
Is this false lily?
Yeah. False lily of the valley.
It's cool on it, just carpets everything.
I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
These hand-constructed rock walls are just one example of the many sophisticated technologies designed by coastal First Nations over thousands of years. They were built to manage things like water depth, substrate material movement, and current in order to care for and collect traditional foods such as clams, crab, fish, and other marine life.
And I guess you always seem to know. Hello, Ramona. I push back the serious feeling, the end's unknown. To get back the life I used to.
These blueberries are huge. Nom. Nom.
All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
Always looking for huckleberries. I've got some blueberries here. I'm gonna trade Conlee for some salmon berries.
I got some salmon berries here. Trade you for a blueberry.
Oh my gosh, look at those.
Those are like 5 seconds of picking.
That's amazing.
Let's try a couple of these suckers.
Here, take them.
Here, take them.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Yes.
Tell us how you really feel. Come on, use your words. Yeah, get them all in there. And look at this bush here, it's all loaded up. Dun, 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 dun. The white wolf. Oh my, look at this one. That is a big berry.
Oh, yes. Thank you. Probably don't have a container with that.
Yeah, we're gonna have to come back, I think, before we leave. Look at that sucker. This one. Glorious berry.
Oh, and then I say it tastes like licorice.
Mine tastes like licorice too.
Really? This one tastes like licorice too. It's weird. Thanks so much for watching this episode. If you liked it, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, show your support by hitting subscribe. If you want to invest in the experience and support our creations, you can do so by becoming a patron. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.